Are you tired of vague advice on faceless YouTube success? I've got your back. No fluff, no pointless advice, just the proven strategy to turn your faceless channel into a cash machine. In the next few minutes, I'm handing you the roadmap to success. So, are you ready to dive in? Your journey to faceless YouTube wealth starts now. Step 1. Choose a niche. The key to unlocking success on this platform lies in niche research. If you pick the right niche, you will soon have a channel that could be a powerhouse, raking in thousands of dollars every month. But beware, my friend, because picking the wrong niche is like running in circles, countless videos, but views harder to catch than a shooting star. And the secret to finding the right niche is extensive research. Start by diving into your passions, those subjects that set your soul ablaze. What makes your heart race? What could you chat about for days, even if the room is empty? The real magic unfolds when passion meets opportunity, so let that fire guide your way. But hold on, we're not just talking sparks. We're talking about standing the test of time. Your niche should be evergreen. As you embark on this journey, keep an eye on the rising stars within potential niches. Where are new creators gaining momentum? That's where success is ripe for the picking. Now, here's a pro tip. Become a problem solver within your chosen niche. Identify common issues and position yourself as the go-to guru. This not only attracts a dedicated audience, but also establishes you as an expert in your field. In the gaming sphere, for example, if traditional walkthroughs seem overdone, focus on troubleshooting game glitches or mastering game mods for beginners. Now let's talk about the anatomy of a killer niche. It's not just about having an audience, it's about having a passionate following. It's not just about opportunities, it's about profitable possibilities. It's not just about content, it's about filling a gap that others have missed. Step 2. Use the blue ocean strategy. Instead of wasting your time and energy in overcrowded niches where you might feel like a tiny fish in a massive ocean, opt for the blue ocean strategy. These are the spaces where the waters are less turbulent, and you can carve your niche with content that stands out. The blue ocean strategy is all about finding the content gap in your niche. You might be thinking about going in the mainstream fitness category. Why not explore a specific audience like fitness for busy moms or deskercise for 9-to-5 warriors? In this case, you're not just creating content, you're creating a unique space within a broader category. Simply put, using the blue ocean strategy is about narrowing down your niche to avoid competition and build a stronger audience. Step 3. Go viral on YouTube with the right metadata. After you have selected your niche, you don't need to record yourself and show your face to the entire world. Well, you don't need to become the face of the century as we're diving into the art of faceless, yet utterly captivating content creation. You are going to simply gather stock footage and copyright-free music and write an engaging script before merging them all into a faceless video. First things first, let's talk about the metadata, my friend. You see, when you create a new channel on YouTube and upload a few videos, YouTube is essentially blind to your content. So it will recommend your content to a limited audience. And if you want to get better results, you need to use similar metadata, which includes crafting titles, descriptions, and tags with similar keywords across all your videos. Simply put, we want to boost viewer engagement. And to keep those eyes glued, you've got to use a consistent set of tags and keywords. Why? Because when one viewer tunes into your video, their suggested feed becomes a personal showcase of your content. As a result, you will be curating an experience for your viewers. Plus, incorporating keywords in your descriptions and titles will help rank your videos on the top. Now, let's shatter another common myth. Going viral isn't about reinventing the wheel. Forget spending hours on the quest for the utterly unique. Embrace the competition. A crowded category is your ticket to the big leagues, landing your videos in those coveted suggested feeds and boosting those views. The key? Strategy over guesswork. The real game changer is having a solid strategy. And speaking of strategy, don't underestimate the power of using tools. I have personally used vidIQ for keyword research, and trust me, it helps me find the best keywords that later translate to hundreds of thousands of views. Now, before I drop the exact recipe for going viral on YouTube, I need you to do one thing. Smash that thumbs up button like it owes you money. Step 4. Create a content plan. All right, you've chosen your niche, decoded the viral recipe, and now it's time to kick things up a notch with the art of crafting mesmerizing faceless videos that keep viewers glued without you having to record videos. The journey begins with creating a nice content plan. I have already mentioned that you need to find high-performing keywords. Use these keywords to create titles and create a plan. You should already know how many videos you are going to create monthly. I suggest that you create at least 8 videos per month and stay consistent. Another important point to keep in mind is that the length of the videos should stay similar. If you are creating videos that range from 8 to 10 minutes in length and you then upload a 4-minute video, your channel's average view duration will fall. Step 5. Create a thumbnail for your video. Canva is your go-to for crafting eye-catching thumbnails. Thumbnails are your video's first impression, so make them pop with eye-catching designs. They're the gateway to your content, so let them be a visual sneak peek into the awesomeness that awaits. Your thumbnail must trigger curiosity, but above all, it needs to get the viewer to click to watch the video. Step 6. Write awesome scripts for your videos. After the thumbnail has been generated, make sure to create a title that is catchy and relates to the keywords you are targeting. Dive into extensive research, craft an outline of key points, and then delve deep into each one. Remember that your script isn't just words, it's the map that will guide your audience. Keep it structured, engaging, and make sure it's the North Star that keeps you on track during recording. Step 7. Do voiceover. When it comes to voiceovers, you've got 2 options. Are you the voice of your content? Fantastic. Authenticity is your superpower. But if you're exploring the future, let AI lend a hand. Well Said Labs is a fantastic tool for AI-generated voiceovers. If you don't like Well Said Labs, you can use 11 Labs. I have used both of them, and I can confidently say that both of them provide a natural and polished sound. Step 8. Create the faceless video. Now, on to the video creation process. For the actual video editing, you can use tools like Filmora and CapCut. They're user-friendly, making the editing process a breeze. Arrange your clips cohesively and pay attention to pacing and transitions. These tools offer a range of features for adding effects, music, and text overlays. Here, it is important to note that if you are a beginner and can afford to invest some money, you can outsource all of these tasks to freelancers on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Step 9. Launch your video. Congratulations, you've transformed ideas into a real product. It's time to hit that upload button and unveil your masterpiece to the world. Take a moment to acknowledge this achievement, but hold on, the journey doesn't conclude here. It's just the beginning. Step 10. Evolve and thrive. Your audience is now your ally. Engage with them through comments. Let them know their thoughts are valued. Dive into analytics. It's your treasure trove of insights. Understand what works and what doesn't, and adapt. Your content strategy is a living, breathing entity. Keep refining it. Learn from the analytics, adapt, and stay ahead of the curve. And here's a pro tip. Immerse yourself in your niche. Study what others are doing, use competition as a catalyst for improvement, and elevate your content game. And don't forget to read and understand YouTube's policies. Understanding the rules of the game keeps you in the race for the long haul. Step 11, monetize your channel. Well, the path to monetization is diverse, and this is one of the top reasons I recommend everyone to create a faceless YouTube channel. The key is to explore multiple streams that align with your content and audience. Here's the scoop on how to turn your content into cold, hard cash. Obviously, we have the YouTube Partner Program. To qualify, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. But don't stop there. None of the big creators rely on the YouTube Partner Program. Diversify, my friend. Paid partnerships are a golden ticket. Companies pay you to showcase their products or services, turning your channel into a cash cow. But wait, there's more. You can incorporate affiliate links in your video descriptions. Every time a viewer makes a purchase through those links, you earn a commission. Or you can also advertise your own digital or physical products in your videos. These are just a few ways to monetize your YouTube channel. As you explore YouTube's diverse world, you will definitely discover more ways to make money. So that's all for today's video, and thanks for watching it. As you embark on your journey, keep in mind that you need to stay consistent if you really want to start earning $10,000 or $20,000 per month. Stay true to your niche, maintain a steady flow of engaging content, and watch the magic unfold. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And if you liked my video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Until next time, take care and stay tuned.